This is the SnapNrack universal wire clamp. To put this in the rail, to hold wires tight, spring loaded, so loosen it up, push this down, dip it into the rail, and then you just pull up. And you'll hear it snap, it's ready to go. You can slide it, you can move it. It's actually got 2 slots in there so that you can fit actually 2 wires, 2 PV wires on each side, so 4 total, or 2 trunk cables, 1 in each. So we got this one tied up there. A lot of times when you're doing home runs, these tend to sag. With zip ties, they loosen, then they're gonna be dragging here on the shingles. This is like sandpaper, very detrimental to the PV system. So this allows you to put this in there, pull it taut, get it nice and tight. Nice and light on there, it won't pinch the wire. You don't need to go overboard on your drill, just tighten it secure, snug. Then this can go slip underneath and you can do your wire management there.